Hello. Last week I published a post about setting up a simple one-time password authentication flow using AWS Amplify. In the post, you will learn about the Amplify Flutter Authenticator, Amazon Cognito Lambda triggers, and Amazon SES. Today, I will share with you a sample app built based on that blog post. I'll assume you will go through the Amazon SES setup, so we will only focus on the app and on the Flutter implementation. You can get the app from GitHub using the link below. We will go through the steps listed in the README file. I will use VS Code to clone the app. I will navigate to the app folder and then open it in VS Code. I will use the command amplify init to create the Amplify environment for the app. I will use the command amplify push to provision the local back-end resources in the cloud. I will run flutter pop get to install the dependencies. I ran the app, created a user, and now I will show you the sign-in experience. I'll submit the email address, click sign in. I got the code in my email. I'll submit the code. And now I am signed in. In this sample, I used the Amplify Authenticator. I override the sign-in step and the confirm sign-in custom auth using a custom widget. In the custom sign-in, I'm using the username and the sign-in button. You can turn on the password by uncommenting this line. In the Confirm Sign-In widget, I read the field title and the field hint from the custom auth functions. You can find those functions in the Amplify folder. Go to the backend, Functions, and you can find those three functions. In the create auth challenge function, I have the logic for sending the code, and I also have the logic to create the unique code and email it. I'm also setting the field title and the field hint. In the define auth challenge, I configured the sign-in flow by removing the password field and setting the custom challenge. The verify auth challenge function is where I check if the answer is correct. Now I have a Flutter app set up with a simple one-time password authentication flow. For this, I used Amplify Flutter Authenticator, the authentication category, Amazon Cognito Lambda triggers, and Amazon SES.